Good day, everyone. We're out here on nature. You can tell from the tree to where the ground is. We're on some steep hill. So we're out here finding a whole bunch of chanterelles or chanterelles, however you'd like to pronounce them. I got Mom, Grandma, and the little tres amigas over here. And it's just been a nice, good walk so far. The puppies are learning to keep pace really well now. And the steep part is over. Like I said, we're just out here finding some mushrooms. We got a good little bag of them so far. Everyone have a beautiful day, and I'm going to keep enjoying this.